Hoverfly X1. Get you one today. Walk away, go make groceries right quick. Hoverfly want to know if I want to test out one of these scooters. I said, yeah, I want to test out your scooter. And here we go, Hoverfly X1 model. Let's get it out the box.
Scooters.
You kids like razor blades?
No.
Good, because these ain't for children.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Papa Farron's birthday today. All right, Dad, happy birthday today. I'm assembling a scooter on your birthday. You unboxing it for me? Man, let's look at this. Man, well packaged, y'all. You excited, bud? You excited, buddy? All right, let's unbox it. Pull it out. Oh, Lord. We got things here. All right, put it over there. We got the charger, y'all. Nicely packaged. He putting his on the roof. We got some tools right here. Oh, probably because I should have lifted the whole thing out the box, y'all. Oh well, we're gonna get it out. Let me get it out right quick. Let's pull this Hoverfly X1 out the box. Man. Y'all. Man, y'all. Look at that. You gonna ride it? Hold on. Oh, you just push that back fender down and it releases the handlebars.
Why?
He trying to ride already. Oh, check it out. The handlebars are right here.
Why?
Actually, y'all, it looks like it's pretty much all together out the box. Except all you gotta do is mount the handlebars and you riding.
Dad, you even got a light on this thing.
Yeah, a headlight so we could ride at night. What? That's crazy. Man, y'all, this thing is looking sturdy. I can't wait to get on it myself.
How fast is you gonna go?
15 miles an hour, y'all. That's how fast we're gonna go. Man,
Bye.
looks like it got 8-inch rigid tires. You ain't gotta worry about getting no flat or nothing. Let's go ahead and start assembling this bad boy. Y'all, only thing I will say out the box, got some nice scrap. Shh, be quiet, Coco head. Y'all, I'ma say, only thing I'm kind of disappointed with out the box, got some pretty good gashes on the side, but oh well, I'ma do more damage than this when I'm riding it, me. All right, y'all, look like the first thing you gotta do, reach for this little wire down in the stem and pull it out. Locate your hardware. Comes with these two in a bag. I'm sure that goes right there. All right, y'all, take your handlebars and pull a wire out of it, and then you just plug them in. Like so. Go ahead and dog, shove that wire down in there.
Bye, bye, bye.
Shove it down.
Bye, bye, bye.
Shove it.
Bye, bye.
All right, we're gonna shove this wire down. See y'all in a sec. All right, next, you just hook your brake cable up. That ain't too much. Open it up. See that? Hold that thing closed, dolls, for me. That's how you hook it up, y'all. So easy, you could do it with one hand. And then you pull it. Oh, you can let it go, buddy. Then you pull it. All right, y'all, might need two hands, but you pull it and clip it, and that's it. Just like so.
Yeah, baby.
Put your shirt on. All right, y'all, first impressions, thing is light. Nice little kickstand right here. I'm gonna show y'all that on the ground. Kickstand, easy to use.
You want to take it a test?
Nice little reflector so you could be seen at night. Rear brakes, more reflectors. Knobby tires. Got a nice little kind of rubber mat here for grip for y'all feet. Got your little thumb throttle, on off switch, brake lever with a bell. And when you want to fold it, pull that out and pull that simultaneously and it'll fold up. And it'll lock. And all you gotta do to unlock it is this. All right, let's turn this thing on. Man, it was that easy. And y'all, it's almost fully charged. What the heck? Hold it down to turn it back off. Let's peel this off. Satisfying. If y'all want the headlight to come on, press this twice. Press it twice to turn it off. Let's go ride this thing, y'all. Dude, this thing is gonna come in clutch when I'm at them car shows and events with all this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Man. And y'all, simple charger, plug it into the wall. Old school plug it in right here. All right, y'all, man, y'all, this thing got torque. Ooh, 15, y'all. All right, plug it into the wall. It's gonna display this. Take your plug. Plug it in. Now you're charging. When it turns green, you're fully charged and you're ready to roll. Y'all, we just went down the street on this thing. With me and the 3 kids on there, we still got up to 15 miles an hour. So let me get it to a full charge, and I'm gonna get back on it, and I'm gonna get somebody to film me actually riding around, because this thing is awesome. All right, we came to an undisclosed location to do a little test ride on the scooter. It's like a nice little open parking lot, and it's just better for filming. Let's go ahead and get on this scooter, Hoverfly X1. And it doesn't just go, right, y'all? So like if a kid was to hit this, you gotta do a little kick push. And normally when it says 3 miles an hour, it takes off. Awesome. Man, y'all, brakes work so good, it'll do a slide. Even got a little bell for safety. Lunars. Come film me doing the cone action. Man, y'all, this thing rips, bruh. Oh, Lord. Oh, we're carving it. Oh, yeah. Let's see if it'll do a wheelie, you guys. Foot all the way back. Look at the torque. Hellacious torque monster. Whoa, Lord, whoa. Almost caused an accident there. Amanda, come over here. Let's do a little, see if it'll make it up a curve. Oh yeah, we're going up a hill right now and it had enough power to get me up and over that, y'all. Keep in mind, I weigh 215 pounds right now because I gained a couple pounds back. Check this out. That was sick nasty. Hoverfly X1. You like that trick, Doss? Man, get like low to the ground, like by the cone, and I'm like, clenched butt cheeks. Amanda's first time on the Hoverfly X1.
Make it go.
Just kick push like a regular manual scooter and then just hit the gas.
This is the gas.
Yep. Amanda's first time on the scooter. She looks natural. She's rounding the curves. It's fun, huh?
Yeah. I want one.
It's funner than a dirt bike. Do the cones. Do the 3 cones. Let's try it out. Motorcyclist safety course. All right, start over there and do a wide open pull. Try to get it to 15. Go. Shoo. Man, you rolling, bruh. It still feels pretty stable at 15, huh? Ricky Bobby chasing. Man, that's what I'm talking about. That thing's rolling, bruh. You could even take your kid to Walmart or Dollar General with it. If they got good enough balance like my kids. My kids are gangsters. Lean with me. Lean with it. Rock with it. Dawson about to ride the Hoverfly X1.
If I would do a cool trick on this thing, I would fall on a brick.
You would fall on a brick? Hit the horn. If your horn works, guys. Yo, I love this thing. It's gonna come in such good handy at these car shows, bro. And it folds away. It's so small. I love that about it. Like, you fold it, it ain't no bigger than a dang suitcase. And it's lightweight too. Watch out, bro. Maybe I just need to work shoulders more, but it only weighs like 15 pounds. And look, kickstand. Walk away, go make groceries right quick. Done. Check Amanda, show him the disc brake though. We ain't dealing with no drum brake. That's a disc on there. Oh yeah. Unfortunately, can't do a burnout with it because you gotta be going at least 3 miles an hour before it go. But y'all, I've been running it since it's been out the box and we still ripping it. Show them what we got. We got 3 bars left on the battery out the box. Man, y'all. Head over to hoverfly.com and get you one of these or any one of the great scooters they got on their site. Later, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Take it easy. And if y'all like this video, subscribe to Duhe Speed Shop. It can't hurt you. It's free. Amanda says she got a nice little jump she gonna hit. Let's see. She got like 10 feet of air that time. It was crazy.